This is a teasy.
Hi, I'm Sean Hobson, Energy Products Distribution's installation trainer, and today we're at the training center here in Baltimore, Maryland, and we're working with 3M's 1080 wrap vinyl film. The films come in a variety of colors, 75 actually, mattes, glosses, carbon fibers, among many others. Today we're going to be working with the matte black film, and we're going to be wrapping the wheel on this Porsche 911 Turbo. This is a very practical application to the vehicle surfaces because it's a cost-effective and less permanent solution as opposed to painting. So we'll get started. Look for the high points of the wheel. So in this case, right near the center hub is where that's at. We'll just start there, smoothing those areas out a little bit. And that'll be a sort of a reference point as well as the outer part of the rim. So 3M's 1080 wrap vinyl film uses a corrugated adhesive, and that allows you to easily push air out to the outer edges of the film without creating pockets of air or trapped bubbles. Remove some of the excess material from the outer edge so that that's not creating any extra stress.